Let me tell you a 110% working trick to get blue tick on a very small account on your Instagram. Only you need is two things. The very first thing to get the blue tick on Instagram is you must have at least one follower, which is so easy. You can even follow your own account from another one, or you can ask your friend to follow you. You need at least one or more followers and you will have the blue tick. And the second condition is you must watch this video without skipping a second, because if you skip in between, this trick is not gonna work, I guarantee you. So just get at least one follower, and after that keep watching this video till the end without skipping a second. I will share with you a method that not everyone shares with you. So let's get started. The very first thing you have to do is you have to go to your app store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that, go to the search bar and type in here Instagram and hit the search button. And now when this Instagram app appears up, tap on that. And the very first step is you first of all have to update your Instagram app, because if there is any pending update, this trick will not work. So you first of all have to update Instagram. So after updating your Instagram app, next you have to open up your Instagram and go to the account that you want the blue tick on. And after that, you have to go to the search bar and open up any account who has the blue tick. You may think that the thing I'm going to share with you is just like the other tutorials you have been watching, but just stay with me till the end and I will tell you that how will you get it. Just search the account who has the blue tick. For example, I have here Justin Bieber. Tap on these three dots and tap copy profile URL. And after copying the URL, you have to go back and go to your profile. And after that, tap on these three lines available in the top right corner of the screen. The next option leading all of this list is settings and privacy. So you got to tap settings and privacy. Next, you have to go to creator tools and controls under the option for professionals. So tap creator tools and controls. And from this list, you have to scroll down and scroll to the end. And the last option in this list is request verification. So tap on that. And after that, you have to fill up this form. Your username of the account will be written, and here you have to write the full name of yours, which is on your national identity card or BAY form or any of the national identity. And after that, you have to upload a document of yours. It can be a driver's license, passport, national ID card, tax filing, recent utility bill, or anything that you have from this list. I will suggest you to select the national identity card and tap on add file. Your gallery will be opened and you have to select the front side of your national identity card from here. And after that, you have to select the category that you are in. For example, if you want your account to be approved as a musician, you will select the music, or you can see anything that matches you from this list. And after that, you have to select the country you are living in. And next, you should type in the type of audience that you will have. For example, if I selected music, I can write here music listeners. Now this is the most crucial thing here, which are the links. Now listen to me carefully. If you have a branded page or YouTube channel or anything on which you have some audience, it can be a website or another Instagram page or even an Instagram page of your friend or a channel of your friend or anything else, you have to paste that link here. For example, if I have another social media page who has a lot of followers, I will select the social media from here and type in the URL of that page here. For example, it is instagram.com/ the username of that page. For example, it is this. If it is an Instagram page, you have to write instagram.com/ the username of that particular account. And in the link too, for example, I have the YouTube channel, so I will select other and I will type in the URL of my YouTube channel here in link number 2. Your case to get blue tick will get stronger and stronger. You will provide as many links as you can. But if you have none of the famous pages of your friends or yours, you can simply select social media and paste the URL of the person that we had copied, which was Justin Bieber. And after that you have to simply press this submit button. But it is not still over yet. Stay with me, because you are requesting a blue tick on a very small account. That's why you need to do another step here. After submitting the request, you have to again go to your profile and tap on these three lines again in the top right corner. Next you have to go to the settings and privacy, and after that you have to scroll down and scroll to the end. Here you get the option help, and the very first option in this list is report a problem. So you got to tap on that and report problem without shaking. Include and continue. Here you have to type exactly the thing I am typing after submitting the blue tick request, and your account will be verified within 24 to 48 hours. And after typing this thing, just press the send button and your account will get verified within 24 to 48 hours. They say that they take 30 days, but the maximum time they take is 24 to 48 hours if it's not a weekend. So that's how you get the blue tick on Instagram. You have to submit the request exactly in the same way I have sent it, and your account will get verified no matter how small account you have. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.